Suboxone clinics near me that take insurance. Are you or someone you know struggling with opioid addiction and looking for a Suboxone clinic near you that accepts insurance? Suboxone clinics can provide affordable and convenient treatment options for those seeking recovery from opioid addiction. In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about Suboxone clinics that accept insurance, including what Suboxone is, how it works, why people use it, how to get it, and the benefits of using a Suboxone clinic that takes insurance. Suboxone is a branded medication approved by the FDA to treat patients with opioid use disorder. It helps reduce opioid cravings and can prevent withdrawal symptoms associated with opioid addiction. Suboxone contains buprenorphine, an opioid receptor agonist medicine, as well as naloxone, which is an opioid antagonist that blocks the effects of opioids and discourages misuse. Suboxone comes in two forms, a sublingual film and sublingual tablets. Both are placed under the tongue to dissolve. This medication works by binding to the same nerve receptors that opioids do, causing reduced cravings and easing the symptoms of opioid withdrawal while also blocking the effects of other opioids. Healthcare providers generally prescribe Suboxone as part of an overall treatment program for those affected by opioid addiction. While Suboxone can be effective as part of a recovery plan, it should not be considered a cure since it does not address underlying causes or behaviors associated with addiction. Suboxone has been around since 2002 and is the leading medication for opioid addiction. It is a combination of two drugs, buprenorphine and naloxone, which work together to treat opioid addiction by reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. People use Suboxone because it is a safe and effective treatment for opioid dependence. Suboxone success rates range from 40% to 60%, measured by the number of patients continuing their treatment and recovery for at least a year. To get started with Suboxone treatment, you must follow a few simple steps. Firstly, you must request an appointment by phone or online, providing proof of identification and insurance coverage if applicable during your appointment. Our experienced doctors and counselors will ask about your medical history and other information to assess your eligibility for Suboxone treatment. If our doctors believe Suboxone is the proper medication, they will write you a prescription. This can be filled at any of your designated pharmacy near you. Suboxone is covered by most major insurance plans, including Medicare and Medicaid. That makes getting the treatment you need much easier and more affordable. At Fall River Suboxone Doctor, we accept Medicaid, Medicare, and most major insurance plans, making treatment with Suboxone as affordable and accessible as possible. Suboxone clinics that accept different insurance plans, such as Medicare and Medicaid, can provide affordable and convenient treatment options for those seeking recovery from opioid addiction. At Fall River Suboxone Doctor, we provide high-quality Suboxone treatment to patients with insurance coverage. We also offer comprehensive services to ensure your success on Suboxone, including medication-assisted treatment, or MAT, individual and group counseling, and assistance accessing community resources. Fall River Suboxone Doctor is the best Suboxone clinic in Fall River that accepts insurance. Our experienced doctors and counselors work closely with patients to ensure their successful recovery journey. Our comprehensive range of services and insurance coverage options make Suboxone treatment accessible and affordable. We strive to provide our patients with a safe and supportive environment to stay on track with their treatment plans without worrying about the cost. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.